Americans have a very special relationship with their automobiles, probably more than any other country. We love our cars. And so one of the most upsetting things that can occur when you've been in a collision is that your car is either damaged beyond repair or it can't be driven. We get questions all the time, what do I do in that situation? And it really depends on the situation, but generally when an accident occurs and it's somebody else's fault, if you have full coverage, you can go through your insurance company or the at-fault driver's insurance company if they've accepted fault. If your car is not drivable, either policy might have a rental reimbursement provision, and that means they'll put you in a rental car while your car's in the shop or being repaired or until you get a new one. Some insurance companies do a direct bill where the rental company will bill them directly. Other insurance companies make you pay for it and they reimburse you. Obviously the first is better than the last. So it's nice to have options because if you can go through your own insurance, they'll pay for your rental car, then they'll get paid back by the other insurance company at the end.
Can I inject one thing here?
Yes.
Under Nevada law, it's very important if you do go out and get a rental vehicle and you purchase the additional coverage offered by the rental car company.
The insurance?
Yeah, I'm sorry, did I say something different? If you go out and purchase the additional insurance by the rental car company, that coverage is not going to be reimbursed to you, or that cost won't be reimbursed to you. And purchase with that knowledge that if you need to be paid back for something like that, don't buy that coverage.
Right. Said another way, if you have collision coverage, you don't need the extra coverage, the extra insurance that the rental car company is going to try to sell you. Now, what do you do if your car's been totaled? And when I say totaled, I mean it's going to cost more to fix it than the car is worth. Well, that's a very upsetting thing, especially if you've had your baby for 3 or 4 years and you know it like nobody else, and you don't want a different car. You want that car back, but that's not going to happen. So it's important that you get every penny that you're entitled to. One of the things that you can do to help your lawyer is to gather all the receipts for any upgrades or repairs that you've made recently. If you've put in a new radiator, if you've put in a new engine, if you've put in new tires, if you have an upgraded radio stereo system, those are all receipts that you can give to your attorneys to present to the insurance company to try to increase the value of that totaled vehicle. Insurance companies have you over a barrel. If your car's worth $10,000 in your opinion, and they're only offering you $7,000, $8,000, what's your recourse? Your only recourse is to file a lawsuit, and they know that's not going to put you in a car any earlier. So they will lowball you. They will offer you less than the car is worth 9 times out of 10. That's why it's so vitally important, if you've been injured, to treat and do everything you can to recover from your injuries so that we as your personal injury attorneys can get you everything that you're entitled to. Don't let them off the hook for that as well.
This message is brought to you by Hennis and Haight.